All right, guys, we are right back with you. I was going to say with you, right back with you here at the 2023 RV Dealer Open House in Elkhart, Indiana. And we are here in the Thor Amazing Monster facility where we are going to go through a variety of different products. And we started with Integra. We showed you some all-wheel drive, awesome overlandingness, and now we're at Starcraft, and this is going to be special. So now we're talking about Starcraft, we're talking about lightweight, we're talking about fifth wheels, we're talking about something we towed with a half-ton truck. So think like Ram 1500, Ford F-150, vehicles that can tow, but can't really get up to that second tier level, right? So Randy Graber, you ready?
Hey.
We're going to talk about this awesome thing right here. So the first thing that Starcraft wants you to know is right above Randy, and that is light duty. So tell us what that means.
Light duty is half-ton towable with a half-ton pickup. And there's so much marketing out there these days with other brands that say half-ton towable, but really they're not. They're starting at our weight here and going up. And we start at a lower weight, and this is our maximum weight right here at 8,500 pounds, but we have units at 7,000 pounds, 7,500 pounds too.
And so how many floor plans are there with this new Starcraft?
This is four floor plans. We got a 27, 28, 30, and a 33.
Okay, perfect. And I want to bring you in here. Check this out, Tracy. We were talking about this a minute ago. Randy, explain this area. This is the LP here. Behind the LP, just use the width and talk about storage.
Well, if you take most of your half-ton towable fifth wheels, that front compartment is only about half the depth. So this compartment is the full depth of what a normal big fifth wheel would have, which means you can put a full-size generator, 5,500 ohm generator in there. You can't do that on our competitors because they don't have that depth up there.
And then you got storage here up in front, and then you make your way around to the side. You've got an awning here, so you got double awnings coming out. You got speakers up on top, so you can be pumping those tunes, having a good time. And then we make our way inside. But before we do that, I want you to talk a little bit about solar, because we were talking consumers get choice, right? Whether they want batteries, whether they want a generator. But solar is an option with this, right? Or it's fully equipped with it.
We have a 200-watt solar panel standard that comes with a 30-amp controller.
Okay.
And then the consumer, they can add a second 200-watt panel and an 1,800-watt inverter. And that comes from the factory. Now, from there is additional room if they want to add more solar.
Awesome. All right, so this one is called the 304BHS. I know what the BHS stands for, but I'm going to let you tell everyone. 304BHS.
BHS, that's bunkhouse, okay?
That's what I'm saying.
So this is a 32 and a half, 33-foot fifth wheel with a mid-bunk room. And typically, mid-bunk room fifth wheels, you're going to be 40 foot or longer. So I wanted to be able to create that same layout in a half-ton towable fifth wheel, so that's what we did.
Randy told me I was going to be impressed when I go inside. So, Randy, let's go inside.
Okay.
I'm going to follow you in, and we are going to take a look at what is happening on the inside. So, this is the area right here. This is your workstation before we go to the bunkhouse. If we think about it right now, so many Americans are hitting the road. They're either homeschooling or they are working from the road, and you get that with this compact light-duty rig right here. So down here, what were you pointing at? I saw you were pointing. You were like, this is what I'm going to point at.
This could be a bunk room or an office or a storage room. It's very versatile. But what we've done is we put a window down below the desk, so the lower bunk has got ventilation and light.
So it's a
down
mattress.
there.
You're just putting the mattress down.
Right. We throw the mattresses up on the loft so they can bring the mattresses down underneath the desk and have a mattress on top of the desk. Two-person in there. Then you've also got the loft above.
Sit down
for two
and check
more.
it out. Total utility room. So
you got your
multi-purpose.
hookups.
It's like a Swiss Army knife. You've got ability to look outside. You've got the bed that can be here for a single bed with storage below. Throw another mattress down below. Now you've got double bunks. You've got storage up on top. Wired for television. So you got coaxial in here with power. And if you were to shut this door, you also have air conditioning ducts down below to keep the person that's down here cool as well. So you have great functionality on the inside. Plus, I'm always grabbing for a jacket on the way out, Randy, and I get that right here. USB charging.
On above and below for the bunks. You got your USB charger, 110 volt there.
What else could you ask for? I mean, it's like, come on, this is amazing. Well, you asked. What's happening up here?
You've got a nice big loft up there for the boys. The girls could sleep down below, boys up above.
Love it. Love it. Okay, so now we walk into an open and inviting, holy smokes, look at the size of the couch, with 2 tables to go in here. And they swivel. This is awesome. And I'm good. Really?
Yeah, why not?
I mean, you're going to take it to a whole new level. Yeah, that's the way you do it. So, big screen right up here on the wall.
My best seat at the shows. You know, if you're working the show, this is where you want to be.
This is where you want to be. That's where you want to be. Does this one convert? Does this?
Yeah, you're sitting on a bifold sofa that makes a full-size bed right there.
Okay, so this layout is awesome, right? You got the mid bunks, you got the upper loft area, you've got 2 entertainment chairs that pop out and turn into super awesome, comfortable chairs for your entertainment area. Then you've got these 2 down here. I can already tell you, my daughter would be packing up pillows right here, and she'd be laying this way, and she'd be telling her brother, hey, you can't sit here, and he'd have to go somewhere else. She'd probably kick him outside into a tent, but that's what siblings do, right, Randy? Table over here. Let's make our way over to the table. I want to point this out because this is something unique, and I think it's an added value. A lot of tables inside RVs are small, and you see how close they're stuck together in most RVs, but not in this one. You've opened it up and you've added a wing here so that you have more functional space.
We've had, this table with the leaf up is 42 by 42. Most tables are 40 by 26. And but the cool thing about it is typically when you have a mid-bunk fifth wheel like this, they have a rear sofa. Well, everybody wants the rear living room with the view, but you've got the sofa back here. You're not looking out; you're looking forward. You put the dinette back here. Now you've got the view. You're looking at breakfast, lunch, dinner, and your TV is up across from your recliners. So
it's awesome. Storage up top, air conditioning unit with ducts that run through the ceiling. And then we make our way into the kitchen where I'm getting ready to get dinner prepped. I've got a big stainless steel farmhouse sink, plenty enough room up here to kind of spread stuff out. 3 burner cooktop over here. What do I got down here? That's like a pizza oven. I want to call it a pizza oven. This is like, I'm just going to say it's a pizza oven. I'm not going to say it's late at night after we've had a good time around the campfire, but maybe. I mean, Randy, that's what we do, right?
Hey, nice casserole.
That's it. Microwave up top. We make our way down. You've got functional space for your pantry area. You got your refrigerator. Wrong side. This side. Ooh, it's cold.
Oh, see, now you don't know, but
this is
a 12 volt, 10 cubic 12 volt refrigerator. But you know what? Hey, you know what?
We grabbed too hard.
We did it the wrong way. Okay, it's reversible.
We got to lock it back in. So it opens both ways.
What you don't want to do is grab the release handle on both sides at the same time. So one side at a time.
Okay, so it's
right
actually,
or left. Okay?
So because it's dual hinged, it actually will come off as well.
Yes.
So you just have to make sure. I'm going to do it.
Just release one side at a time.
Oh, that is cool. Okay, so it's not broken. It actually works. We just grab the different handle on it. Okay, that is awesome. So both sides do that?
Yes.
I've never even seen that before. That is the coolest thing ever. That was awesome. And I don't even know how that popped out like that. Is there a release?
Well, because we release both handles at the same time. That's why.
So if you were to do that.
That hinge is...
Got it.
This hinge is locked until you release that handle.
Got it. Storage over here, space here, you got your heater down below, and then we start to make our way to the back with a smart TV, and then we make our way up to the restroom. Big bathroom on the inside. What I love the most is this wood countertop. That wood countertop just kind of provides an additional accent of a little bit of luxury, right? Takes it upscale a little bit in the look and feel. And then we make our way into the bedroom where they go shiplap. And this is what Mama wants. Mama wants something that is cool and comfortable, and you get that on the inside. Randy, talk about this set. It's like a whole separate living area with the look and feel. The design is different.
Yes, very contemporary with the shiplap. And our bed is a full queen size, 60 by 80 inches. And the other thing is, because we are 100 inches wide, most RVs half tons are only 8 feet 96 inches wide. So we have 4 more inches of width here in our bedroom, which you know, a couple inches on each side of this bed really adds a lot.
And then you got storage over here.
Wardrobe here in the bedroom with 2 large drawers below, and then you've also got 2 big drawers on each side of the bed below the nightstands. Typically, our competitors will just put a door there and not a drawer. And then you've also got
Wireless
USB
induction.
charge there. You see the pop-up, the little pop-up there on each nightstand. Just pop that up there. That's it. That's you got. So you got.
Cool.
You can lay your phone on top, or you can
induction,
plug your USB in if you pop it up there. Plus
Awesome.
your 110 volt.
Have you announced pricing on these yet?
Oh, these
Consumer
here,
pricing?
Oh, this is going to retail for around 75.
Wow, you get a lot for your money with this. I mean, there's so much functionality. That refrigerator, I know we had, that was cool though. I've never seen a refrigerator that opens both ways. I mean, that is something that's super cool. Thank you so much, sir. It has been a pleasure learning more about this Starcraft right here, their light duty GSL. This thing is amazing. We're not done yet. We're not giving up on y'all just yet. We're going to come back to you shortly with more news and more products here at the 2023 RV Dealer Open House. Stay tuned, guys.